Hello guys, I just bought the Asus Rog Ally. So this is Asus's first handheld gaming PC, which is quite awesome. Just like the Steam Deck, which is a gaming PC handheld in your actual hands, which is amazing, and it's portable, you take around with you. So I decided to go and get an Asus one because it looks a bit more different and it's got more power, so that's what I really want, especially to play certain AAA games. So let's have a look at the stuff. So if you look here, it's got the AMD's new chip, the Z1 Extreme chip. It's very powerful. So they reckon, I think it was about 6 plus to 8 teraflops, which is amazing. Comes with a 512 SSD. It's that small SSD, the little small ones. I'm not sure what the name is of that, but it's the small ones. So that's good. It's got your USB 3.2s, I think, which is good. Amazingly as well, this is a Windows 11 as well, which is quite sick. So hopefully now it has no problem. Hopefully the updates will here and everything, it should work nicely, and especially with all the other games as well. And 16 gig of RAM as well, so that's good. Unfortunately you can't upgrade them, but anyway, I think that's enough. At least it's not just 8. But anyway, let's get into this. And the other awesome thing is you can put the eGPU in as well. So the only downside is you're gonna have to buy the actual Asus GPU, the ones that come in the little enclosure. So I don't think you can put them third-party ones on, like the Razer and that as well. And yeah, let's get straight into it. That's a nasty dent there from delivery. Always, nothing comes perfect. Okay, let's open this. Look at that. Oh yeah, 7-inch 1080p display as well, with 120 Hz, which is nice. Of course you're not going to fully get that, but still. Damn. Okay, we'll get back to that. Okay. Gonna quick open this box, see what's inside. Instructions and stickers and other stuff and codes, I think. So we'll look back into that in a minute. I've got a screen protector coming as well, which is really good. I think this is the 65 watt charger. Nice thing is, it's not that big as well, which is actually very good. And the Type-C. Okay, you open this side. And that's the plug. Yep, some crazy connectors, but anyway, it's not that bad. And I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. So here it is. So here it is. You got a nice 7-inch display, quite big, anti-glare, and this is Gorilla Glass Victus as well, which is so good. So let's say example you put it with your keys, hopefully not, it shouldn't scratch, should be just fine. And yeah, wow, this is my first time actually proper having a handheld gaming PC, because the Steam Deck I did a video of, that wasn't mine. But anyway, so I finally got one, which is the Asus. Feels quite nice. I wish these were a little bit thick, but anyway, I've got to do a test. You know, these are a bit too light, but we shall do a test again. Like I said, these are not bad. So yeah, I'm gonna actually have to test this out and put it in the video as well. But let's see what you got. Okay, the power button, volume, this connector here is where you put the XG, you know, them graphics cards, the Asus ones. Just plug it in there, use it as a desktop mode or so. You put a 4090 on this, that's how awesome it is, and it runs like a proper 4K PC, amazing. And you can use all your, you know, the Nvidia DLSS and all that. It's amazing once you plug that in. Your micro SD, so you can put some games on the micro SD, but shouldn't really put heavy games like AAA. Just put that in the SSD. You can upgrade it as well, the SSD. Headphone jack, which is alright. Nothing on the bottom. You got these nice reflectors here. That's alright, and these light up. I'm going to turn it on in a minute. And yeah, and you got these back buttons you can map, and this nice stripe here as well. Very nice. So yeah, I've got to test it. I'm gonna have to set it up, especially it's Windows 11 as well. Set it up, get Forza, definitely get Forza, yeah. Maybe some other ones, maybe try Genshin on it and that. But so far quite amazing, solid as well. And oh yeah, 2 stereo speakers as well, which is awesome, so it should be loud definitely. And yeah, that is really about it. But there you go. I'm gonna do another video, or I'm gonna merge the video and show you what it looks like when it's on. Just playing Forza Horizon 5. Quickly show you the settings I'm using. So that's the video. Just put the AMD on balance, and I'm using on high. Certain stuff medium. Right, let's try it. So far it's running quite smooth. Definitely playable as well, which is awesome. Speakers are very good. I mean, this is only a 50%. But definitely playable. So that's Forza. Gonna go and try more different games right now. So Cyberpunk. Of course, there's a little bit of frame problem, but it depends on what settings you're on. So I think I'm on high actually. Let me check. Okay, I'm on these settings. It's not okay. It's quite high. It's not that bad. Well, the gameplay is not that bad. Luckily it's a small screen, so you'll get away with it. You can see the loading as well. I haven't played this for a long time, so I'm a bit rusty. And especially these NPCs, they're just crazy as well. It's not that bad, definitely playable, and it's a small screen anyway, so you'll definitely get away with it. But it's crazy, and a gaming PC handheld playing this, it's amazing. And I'm not even I'm not even charging it as well, so I'm not running the full potential. So actually, let me plug the wire in and let's have a look. Okay, it's on turbo mode now. Okay, to me, I mean, like from here, it looks a bit more detailed now. It's running the full spec now. This is running 30 watts. Yeah, 30 watts. So definitely better. It's awesome, man. The only downside that I got with this handheld, I definitely need to change the SSD to a little bit faster one and bigger storage as well. And I think that will be it. The update fixed it. I think it's 3.22, the latest update. So much better, and the thermals are definitely better as well. My micro SD card wasn't burning. I know I took it out now, but yeah, it wasn't burning, so it's all good. But I mean, if you really want one of these, it's best if you try it yourself. I don't have much problem with it. It's just a little bit of Windows, of course, need to fix up a bit. But that's about it. Speakers are good. The screen is very nice for a 1080p display. It's very good. Controls feel all good as well. But yeah, you can't go wrong. Like I said, you have to try it yourself and go from there. But it's awesome, man. I'm loving it so far. And yeah, I can't wait to try more games. But these are the only 2 games I've got at the moment on it. And yeah, so try it yourself, I would say. I mean, I'm enjoying it. I'm mainly picking this up more than going on my actual gaming PC. And then good thing is, you can lie down in bed and play it. And I've been playing for like an hour plus on it without the plug, which is good as well. That was on Forza. With Cyberpunk, I'm not fully sure, but I will actually have to test that out. But if you got a power bank, especially from Anchor or something, at least a 65 watt power one, you're gonna have more gaming hours and it's gonna be even more fun. But that's really about it. You can hear the fan as well. Yeah, so it is a sick handheld. But yeah, that will be it. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Thanks.